Hi everyone, myself Bilas Kole. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Bilas Kole _Zoology. Today we will discuss the topic parathyroid gland. If we look into its position and structure, we will observe that there are four P-shaped glands which are wholly or partially embedded in the dorsal surface of the thyroid gland. Two glands in each lobe of thyroid gland and two glands in each lobe of thyroid gland. Each is oval shaped, small sized and yellow colored. Actually, if you observe its structure, those are the parathyroid gland behind the thyroid gland. Those are parathyroid gland. Histologically, a parathyroid gland is formed of masses of polygonal cell arranged in cords. Endocrine cells are called chief cells. Now, we will observe the hormone secreted by parathyroid gland. Active hormones secreted by parathyroid is parathormone, also called Calliope's hormone. It's a polypeptide hormone. Its secretion is stimulated by low level of calcium in blood than normal level through feedback control. So it acts as hypercalcemic factor. If we observe the function of parathormone, we will observe that due to its mechanism, there is increased activity of osteoclast which separate calcium from the bones called bone resorption. It reduces excretion of calcium in urine as increase reabsorption of calcium. It increase absorption of calcium from intestine. In this way, it increase calcium level to normal. Now, we will discuss the disorder. Hypoparathyroidism. That means hyposecretion of parathyroid hormone due to accidental damage of the parathyroid. It leads to parathyroid or high calciemic tetany, which characterized by marked fall on calcium level in blood 6 mg per 100 ml and causes muscle twitches, painful contraction of muscles of face, hands, feet and larynx. It increased neuroexcitation. It also increased neuroexcitation. Now, we will observe the hyperparathyroidism. That means hypersecretion of parathyroid hormone due to tumor in the parathyroids. It causes osteitis fibrosa cystica, which is characterized by increased separation of calcium from bones, so causing osteoporosis. Softening and bending of bones, area of damaged bones are replaced by cavities, high calcium level in blood and loss of calcium in urine. Sometimes calcium is deposited in kidney tubules leading to kidney stones and decreased urine output. Thank you everyone. Please like, share, comments and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I am Bilas Kole and you are watching my YouTube channel Bilas Kole _. Thank you all.